Start recording. All right.
All right, Ryan is creating his first Alexa skill, and it looks like you've already entered in a name.
Yep.
And then leave it as English, and we'll leave model as custom, and code hosting, we will also provide our own. So now click Create Skill. Leave it as Start from Scratch, and click Choose. Bam. Now you have, this is the developer console. This is where you go to update the language model, deploy it, everything else. All we need to do are 2 steps. Just need to update the language model and then insert your Java webhook. So the first step will be updating the language model. Now, do you see all of those intents on the left bar?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead and click JSON Editor right below those. Bam. So this is JSON, and it should look familiar to what you were looking at and referring to earlier.
Mm-hmm.
So now open up your terminal and change directory into your project folder.
I'm there.
Oh, excellent. So run jovo build -- Alexa skill with the S in skill being capitalized. And then
Okay.
hit enter. Bam. Okay. So that should have worked. You might need to add a deploy region, but go ahead and go back to where you were in Chrome or your internet browser and open up File Explorer and go to your project directory.
Oh, I thought I'd pinned it, but I didn't. I did not.
You can just do it from Visual Studio.
Oh. Well, I'm already here. I'm sorry. What I need to open up?
All right, is there a platforms folder?
Yep.
Yep.
Open up platforms. Do you have Alexa skill?
Yep.
Do you have model?
Yep.
And then drag and drop that right into your Chrome, your developer console. And now let go.
Okay.
Bam. Now hit save, and then after you save, click build.
Save. Build model.
So that build model, you are building an artificial intelligence right there based off of that input data. So with artificial intelligence, you always have to train the model. So
Okay.
that's what it's doing right now, is it's actually training the artificial intelligence that you're about to be able to talk to.
Okay.
Now you can see all the intents over there. So we've done one of the 2 steps. The only other thing we have to do is add in the language model, and it's done building. So go ahead and scroll down, and you should see on the left tab endpoint. And you're going to check the box for HTTPS. And then you're going to paste in there your Java webhook. Keep in mind that if your server is not running, Alexa will return an error saying your Java webhook is not running. Please run Java run. But as long as your Java webhook's running, that endpoint will function perfectly. And in that drop-down box right below, you're going to select the first option. I believe that's my endpoint is certified or something.
Yes.
Yeah, do that. And then save up top. All right, now go into your invocation on the left side to figure out what your invocation is.
That's your invocation.
What is it?
Testing experience.
Cool. So now go into test and then just paste that name that you see right there into the testing console on the testing tab.
Test.
All that
Up
top.
on the
Oh,
top
got
bar
it.
on the
Yep.
change that drop down from off to allow or disallow up to you, and then cool. And in the box on the left, there you go. All right, now is your audio on? Can you hear any response?
I heard something. Hang on. Okay, let me try again. Oh yes, it's coming out of my headphones, my other headphones that are plugged in.
Excellent. Okay. So do you hear some voice? I don't know whose audio we have uploaded for that.
Yes, someone's voice.
Someone's voice. Great.
You can
So
connect
you've
with me
now
on
set up your
Instagram
first
at Real
Alexa
DJ
skill.
the King. You
How,
can ask me where
as
can I listen to
a
my music?
relatively
How can I
new
connect
conversational
or play a
AI
song?
engineer,
What would you
what were your
like?
thoughts walking through that?
I'm sorry, can you say that again? The guy was talking in my head.
You've just created your first Alexa skill.